Did you know there's a tiny animal that can literally die and come back to life in outer space? Meet the tardigrade, also known as the water bear. These microscopic creatures are only half a millimeter long, but look like chubby teddy bears with 8 legs and cute pig-like snouts when you see them under a microscope. Here's where it gets crazy. Tardigrades have a superpower called cryptobiosis. When things get tough, they basically shut down and die, then magically come back to life when conditions improve. In 2007, scientists decided to test just how tough these little guys really are. They sent tardigrades to space on a mission and exposed them to the vacuum of space, deadly radiation, and extreme temperatures for 10 whole days. The results blew everyone's mind. 68% of them survived and even had babies after returning to Earth. Scientists discovered they have special proteins that protect their DNA from radiation damage. Now researchers are studying these amazing extremophiles to understand how life might survive on Mars and even develop new cancer treatments.